All right, so this is the EVERFUN cooler backpack. Now, give you a quick little tour. Have the zipper here in the front, where here we've got a little pouch. You put some stuff down in there, of course, snacks, etc. Got a little loop here, got a little loop here. Got the side pocket for the drinks. The other side pocket for more drinks. And then the main inside. So you can see it's completely waterproof. When we went to the casino, we actually used this book bag and put a ton of drinks down in here with ice. It did not leak at all, and our drinks stayed really, really cold for the over 4 hours that we were driving. We got there and had nice cold drinks. Now, when you close this top, zipper all the way around, you got a little carry-in handle here to carry it, and then you've also got another little like snack pack pouch right here. You know, put you a sandwich or something in there, something that may need to stay a little bit cold. You can go right on top, and then the coldness from down in here will go into here and keep it cool. So this was really a great book bag. Yeah, so we actually had 12 bottles in here. So we had a 6-pack of Corona and a 6-pack of Mike's, and they all fit in here, stayed cold, and didn't leak out. The straps are, of course, fully adjustable as you may need, and just got a little logo there, and then of course the handle there. So special thanks to EVERFUN for sending me their book bag. You can see that it keeps cold for 20 hours, which I can tell you after 4, the stuff was still really cold. It is a multifunction design, strong strap, which I can agree there. PU waterproof fabric, and there's the brand and style and everything that I have. So again, special thanks to EVERFUN. Great cooler backpack, 2 massive thumbs up. And also the zippers seem strong. That's something really big for me. I've had a lot of zippers break, and these seem good and strong. They get 2 thumbs up. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.